Hey everybody, Zach at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota. Very cool boat to take you through today. This here is an impressive budget-friendly way to get on the water and truly have that cabin you always wanted for under $40,000. This here is a Carver 38 Santego. Gonna notice a lot of neat things on this boat, and it really starts with the exterior. Beautiful profile, big flat decks. You have a windlass anchor up front. This boat does have air conditioning, 2 units that are relatively updated. You can see it out the front there. Nice walk-arounds, but you also have a walk-through, center walk-through, full canvas enclosure on the boat. As you work your way down the sides, nice big cleats, side windows, which are very nice, grab rails, stainless trumpet horns there, your VHF antenna. And as we work our way to the back of the boat, you're going to notice a very sizable swim platform. Center mount ladder, you have fender holders in the back, easy boarding to both sides, and when you go into the cockpit area, you've got plenty of room for a couple of chairs, sliding glass door, and you got this very nice aft bench seat with storage underneath. Once you're on the boat, to get up to the bridge, there's just 3 steps here. Work your way up top and you've got this huge expansive bridge. For a 38-foot boat, this is absolutely incredible. Very good looking helm here, and it's center mounted, giving you great visibility. Very easy to back the boat up, and I love how your guests are kind of sitting in front of you, so as the captain you have people to talk to. You do have the center walk-through that can come apart, giving you easy access to the bow. Work your way to the other side, you've got more side seating. You also have seats in front of the helm pod here. You're going to notice the seats are in really nice shape. I know it's hard to see that on video, but as a whole, the seats look really, really nice. You have the 2 captain's chairs, or the 2 big chairs behind here. And again, it's a 1989. These seats look really, really good. The whole boat looks really, really good, but the seats looks exceptionally nice. And again, a good looking dash. Updated stereo as well that had just been put in, your VHF radio. Good looking overall helm. From there, we're going to work our way down into the cabin. Again, sliding glass door in the back of this boat brings you right into this grand salon. Now, a couple of noteworthy features. Once you are inside the boat, it's all one level, making it very nice and easy to walk around. As you enter the boat, again, to both the starboard side here and to the port side, you have these full sofa setups. The one over here on the starboard side can be folded down and made into a bed, and behind this closet there's actually a curtain that can go across. You have your control panel here, very well laid out and very easy to use. Everything from the generator operation, your 12-volt side, the 110 side, everything is very well labeled and easy to use. You'll also notice storage up above on both sides. Almost that airplane design. Sliding storage off to the port side here, and the stereo head control unit for the lower system. TV is tucked in the cabinet there. I mentioned modern air units. One of the controllers, digital controllers, is right here. Keep working our way back, and you've got your galley, the refrigerator, a 3/4 size fridge that has been updated. I believe it was in 2021. It's a 110 12-volt fridge. Microwave tucked underneath your countertop. You do have an electric Princess stove with oven. Stainless steel sink, storage behind it. Again, kind of keeping the video rolling here. Our forward stateroom. It's nice and big, it's nice and open. You got storage down below, storage off to the sides. They have another small TV in here. Very nice forward stateroom, lots of headroom, and there is a bifolding door here if you choose to close it off. Take a look at the head design in the 38 Santego. This is very cool. It's a Jack and Jill style head where you can enter from the salon or from the forward bedroom. You will notice that shower. That shower is very cool design for a 38-foot boat. You have the full glass shower there, electric flush head, and your vanity. And again, the accessibility the other way from the, I guess you'd call it the salon area, all the way through. So that there gives you a quick video walk around of this Carver 38 Santego. I'd be glad to answer any questions you have on it. A few other quick specs: it does have a generator, Windlass, like I mentioned earlier, it is powered by twin 7.4 liter MerCruisers. I believe it's right around 1,600 hours roughly. But from there, I'd be glad to answer any questions you have, and we certainly can set up a time to view. Again, I am Zach at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota, and we appreciate you taking the time to view our video.